Motorola is bringing native magnetic wireless charging to its Edge series, and it looks like the upcoming Edge 70 Max is leading the charge. The phone just showed up in the Wireless Power Consortium WPC certification database, confirming support for the latest Qi 2.2.1 standard with the MPP25 power profile. This means it can deliver up to 25W wireless charging. It will come in onyx black, sage green, and glacier blue colors. The phone is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's non-elite Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, featuring a high-performance Oryon Gen 3 core architecture. The square camera module, a 50MP Sony LYT710 1/1.56-inch main camera sensor. It will feature an AMOLED display with a central punch-hole camera. It boasts MIL STD810H military-grade certification for drop and shock resistance. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.